The system that works on the flow of electron is electronics. We all know that every smallest particle of a material is made of three basic particles: electron, proton and neutron. The neutron and proton stays in the nucleus, that is at the middle of the particle, and electrons revolve around that. The structure is just like our solar system. These electrons determines the nature and state of the material, whether that would be plastic, metal, silica or anything else. With the progress of civilization, we discovered several things, and controlling the electron flow is one of them. The first electron flow was controlled and used to make a device called radio. In those days, some vacuum glass tubes were used to control the electron flow so that they could make a complete path of regulated and controlled electron flow, which is better known as circuit. And obviously a circuit made of bunch of small and big vacuum tube is huge in size and not at all portable. Electronic circuits kept on improving and many other products started to get into shape with the help of vacuum tube or valve circuit. But the challenge was the bulkiness and immobility. Now the scientists discovered a new technique of controlling the electron flow with the help of silica found in sand, which is smaller in size and more efficient as well. But unlike the glass tube, silica was soft and fragile, so the scientists put them in a metal cover with terminals out of the casing and named it transistor. Technology evolved with the time and the metal casing transformed into solid-state silicon built to make the transistor more durable, more efficient. In primary days, a transistor had 3 or 4 terminals to get connected with a circuit, but gradually the components got compact and now a transistor has only 3 terminals named base, collector and emitter, and depending on the circuit design, these 3 terminals are used to make a transistor work. Transistors are very small in size, and hundreds and thousands of transistors can be used to create a huge circuit in a quite small space. After the radio, there came the radiogram, record player, television, portable transistor radio, etc. With the growing demand of simple, small and portable devices, transistor circuits also became hard to use in smaller space of a device. So, the scientists thought of combining the inner components of few transistors together to save the space in a circuit. And that combination of several transistor circuit is known as integrated circuit, IC. Now before we talk further, we need to keep in mind that a circuit is not only a combination of few transistors, it is a complete electron flow path controller, consists of other components like resistor, diode, capacitor, etc. An IC is actually a combination of this kind of huge circuit. The invention of IC significantly cut down the required space for a big electronic circuit, and at the same time, the circuit efficiency was improved in several times. More compact the circuitry, lesser the interference and signal loss. As a result, devices started getting more compact, portable and pocket-friendly in terms of price and size both. Pocket radio, pocket tape recorder, pocket voice recorder became cheaper and popular. Then we felt the need of artificial intelligence. Not that what we understand as artificial intelligence today in this modern tech age. I'm talking about an intelligent machine which can perform multiple tasks in a few seconds with a high rate of accuracy to reduce human effort. Multiple job means multiple ICs. If we want a IC-based circuit to perform thousands of tasks together, several ICs need to be deployed to make an efficient circuit, and that will take quite a bigger amount of space. So, to maintain the slim portability of the device, the circuit needs to be smaller and more compact. This time, scientists designed a system which can handle several processes of several ICs together. They introduced a massive circuit integration to perform several processes in a very compact device, and they gave the name microprocessor. Microprocessor is a huge integration of billions or trillions of IC-based circuit. Altogether, it is a massive integration of vacuum tube circuit in a compact form, what we call today a microprocessor chip. Today's microprocessors are actually going toward the era of nanoprocessor. That means thousands of microprocessor in a single integration. This micro trend definitely gave us the ease of living in a modern first world of technology, but there is more to come yet.